my daily news in the school. Alright, so bad news. Japan got hit with a lot of water and earthquakes, and other bad news.
Yo, what's up? It's me. Check out our channel.
Yeah, he's zombie rapers with the 3 and the 4.
Yeah.
And this guy threw a snowball at
The girl Joni loves.
no,
I want to screw up the bum.
at an unnamed person, and I think they're gonna die now. No, I'm kidding. I don't really care about that. Anyways, and in other news, Jared got a concussion.
And that's
concussion.
And I'm awesome.
And his last words were, "If I die, His last words were, "If I die, tell Taylor that I've always wanted to kiss her and make love to her."
Woo!
Worst last words ever! Who'd want to do that? Okay. This was the daily
You would
news.
never die, though. Never die.
No, not from a head concussion going skiing. Anyways, this has been your daily news report with Tony. Goodbye.
Hey!
No.